Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Raj Mohan from Malaysia. Today I'm going to talk about fruit stem cell, which can overcome most of the sickness. I would like to inform that most of the sickness can be overcome if we really know the reason why we have problem. And I'm going to talk about it now. Firstly, I would like to talk about water we drink. The water we drink have chemical, okay, and we normally go for solution. The solution is actually water filter and bottled water. So now we know that water problem already solved. Second, we go to the foods we eat. All the foods we eat have coloring, preservative, pesticide, flavoring. Coloring, everyone knows about. Every food they add coloring, it's a chemical. Preservative, normally they put in the bread, like sodium sorbate and all that. Pesticide is the vegetable, all we take, they spray with pesticide to kill the insect. At the end we take. Flavoring is the ajinomoto and all the taste. Okay, so all this chemical, when we consume, it travels to the stomach for digestion. Later it goes to the intestine. This particular intestine, its job is absorb nutrition to the blood. So what happened, while it's absorbing, these four chemicals burn this intestine and damage it, so it become wound. And you see, it's called microvilli. It's inside this intestine. So once it's already damaged, after about 20 or 30 years old, our intestine get badly damaged and only can absorb about 20% of nutrition. So now the blood have less nutrition. Most of our organ is getting weaker and weaker, and they can't perform their job. When you talk about pancreas, if it can't work, the diabetics comes in. Hair loss, eye getting red, cataracts and all that. High BP because of the shrinkage of the blood vessel. Bone pain, low energy. See what happened, because of less nutrition, all the organs unable to work. We also have heart blocks. Even arteries get torn and it's covered with platelets. This is not cholesterol as what doctors are talking about. It's all platelets. Wherever there's torn, platelets want to help and eventually become blocked. When you become a block, that's you need to go for stent, bypass and all that. See, what happened, some people will say, how to prove this, justify this. When a person got diabetic, doctor give them medicine, diabetic medicine. Since the absorption only about 20%, they are first given 1 tablet, later increased to 5 tablets. And the doctor says the medicine not working because that medicine also can't absorb to the blood. Eventually they go for insulin. See, diabetic, they have insulin. How about other organs? All have to depend on tablets which are unable to absorb. Because of this, most organs get damaged and they need to be cut off or terminate that particular organ since it becomes cancerous cell. What happened to 20? Only 20 comes in, the rest will go to the motion area. So this is the thing happen, and I put it as a summary. Due to the intestine wound, the nutrition absorption will be poor, and this leads to organ weakness and sickness. So conclusion is, this organ, once it's wound, we can't do anything much. So now, next I'm going to go on the solution for all our problem in our body. This is the SCC30, okay. I'll show you how to take the product. It's actually nanotechnology fruit powder. It's under GTN medication technique. See, we have a sublingual, it's like a tunnel here. You put it under the tongue, by 10 seconds it reach blood. Initially you saw 20%, now it's 80%. This nutrition's high antioxidant from the stem cell product will enter to the blood and travel to all the organs and recover wherever. Even there is any blockage, it replaces the new cell and you see better result. Helps to replace damaged cells and improve blockages. It's derived from rock melon SOD, apple grape stem cell and blackcurrant extract. USD 1 million MISG product liability is given. Okay, since it's all fruits, there's no side effect taking this product. This is in powder form. Okay, 100% natural ingredients, raw material from Switzerland and France. So as a conclusion, what I'm trying to say, this product can help everyone. How to take it? Take one sachet alternate days, 10 minutes before breakfast. After that, you can even go alternate days. You don't need to take daily. After 2 months, you can take daily. Unhealthy people take half sachet daily for 14 days. Before 10 minutes breakfast. After 14 days, take one sachet alternate days. For 2 months, you go on alternate days. After second month, you can take daily. If you have financial difficulties, you can still go on alternate days. So this is about taking product and how it helps us. Okay, so now you have seen why we have problem and why we need stem cell for improvement. Okay, so people might ask, what sickness can this sickness be overcome, that sickness be overcome? There's only one question and one answer. First question, why all the sickness? Is because less nutrition in blood. The reason behind it is the intestine get wound and unable to absorb nutrition to the blood. Number two, is every sickness can be overcome? Yes. Once you put it under the tongue, your blood full with nutrition, all your cells will revive to a better cell and your organs do better job. So it doesn't matter what problem you have, you can take. But most important is when a person has sickness or weak, they only must take half sachet from here. Just take a spoon, put half, take this, tie in a rubber band and keep it. And you just put under the tongue. Tomorrow can use the half. 14 days you take that. After that, alternate days is enough. No need to take daily. Can I take one per day? You can take. If you take daily one, your immune system will be very strong. It will go fight with the bacteria and virus. A lot of phlegm will come out and it might worry you. And sometimes if you take one daily, you might have fever. It also must worry you. So best take half sachet per day for 14 days. Later go for one, but alternate days. Everyone can take it. It will help them to have a better life. So I also have a document from Spain. Okay, I'm going to show you that. Okay, you see here is from the Think Spain. They said death will be optional. Aging is curable by 2045. Says genetic engineers. Human will only die in accident, never on natural cause of illness by around age 2045. Says Corderio and Woods, who says it's crucial that old age starts to be classified as illness. So that publicly funded research, its cure can extend it. Nanotechnology is the key. Among other new genetics manipulation technique by engineers said during the presentation of Barcelona equestrian cycle. The process will involve turning back genes, or we call cells, into healthy one, eliminating dead cell from the body, repairing damaged cell, treatment with stem cell. Okay. So you see here what I said just now. The future now is going for stem cell. Another few years, everyone be hunting for stem cell. We have 4 types of stem cell. One is human stem cell, animal stem cell, herb stem cell, fruit stem cell. These three have side effect. Only the fruit stem cell, no side effect. Everyone can take. It's very safe. So we are dealing with stem cell, SUPERLIFE STC30. If you come into this, the world is looking for stem cell. You can be one of the person who going to make a lot of money from the world, because the world wants it, you have it. Since we have Facebook and WhatsApp to inform others, when anyone required in the world, we have to send details. Company will send anywhere in the part of the world. And now every country has opened their agency. You can go through them also. So I hope you all understand. This is a very special product. Don't take this for granted. Whoever wants to be healthy, this is the best product. Whoever wants to be wealthy, also the same, because with this, you make a lot of money because people are looking for it. All the best. Nandri Vanakkam. Thank you.